Investing can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to find a reputable online broker or investment platform. You can do this with a quick online search or by asking friends and family for recommendations. Once you've found a broker, start researching different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Take some time to learn about each option and decide which one is right for you. It's also a good idea to read books and articles about investing to expand your knowledge and stay up to date on the latest trends. Before you start investing, make sure you have a budget in place. You should have a clear understanding of your monthly expenses and how much money you can afford to invest without putting your finances at risk. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a way to build wealth over time. With the right approach, you can start building a brighter financial future today. Stay patient and focused on your long-term goals, and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful investor. Anyone can get started with investing. Just take it one step at a time and stay committed to your goals.